you're going to be the cameraman?
Yeah.
So, do you know what number video this is?
50?
It is, it's number 50. Does that make it special?
Yeah. Dad!
What?
Oh, I thought it was going to be 50 subscribers.
No.
Wait. I didn't know it was episode 50.
Yeah, it is. I'm not sure you can call it an episode, but it is my 50th video. So, do you know what the problem is?
No.
Well, what it is sometimes on these BMWs, when you let the seat down, the seat belt actually holds the seat down afterwards.
Yeah, it does.
There is...
That looks like that.
That's fine, it's the seat belt in the middle.
Oh.
And what you've got here is you've got a cable that comes up and around to where the seatbelt locks into the upper post.
So you're saying, so those two connect to that one?
No, that piece there,
Yeah.
that mechanism, that connects into this hook here. Yeah?
How does that work?
Well, the point
Oh
is...
yeah, because that's laying down. When it goes, if you pull it up, it like connects to that.
The point is it won't go back up because the seatbelt's not releasing. Not that seatbelt, this seatbelt under here.
No.
This one, not that one.
This was the last one.
So in order for me to put the seat back up, without taking the whole back of the seat apart and sorting out what's wrong with the cable, I'm going to release the bottom end of the cable.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to release the bottom end of the seat belt.
Now
put
we're
the seat belt
in the
back up.
BMW.
Point it right. Right, can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm sticking my hand under here. I'm finding the bolt. No, just point it at me because you're not going to see anything there under there.
Okay.
I found the bolt, I've located it, and I'm going to start undoing it using my torque stick. You're making a good video.
Yes. I'm trying not to wiggle it.
I think I might fast forward some of the bits here.
Okay.
We're nearly done. Almost there. Feels quite oily down there.
Oh! Is someone pour some oil? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Oh, you got it up.
Okay.
Hey.
Now it's up. Point it. Up here.
Okay. Where is it? Is it a seatbelt?
Now that it's up, it works properly again. So, all I've got to do now
Let's put that thing off.
is put that back into its mounting point
What is lost?
under here. Can you see that? Can you
okay.
see the mounting point there?
No.
Look with the camera, not with your face.
Oh.
Look with the camera. That mounting point there. Can you see that?
Oh, I see it. Oh, why is it zooming in so fast?
That's because you're zooming in. Zoom out again. Yeah? You all the way zoomed out?
Okay.
Have you been messing with the zoom during the video?
I was pointing where the pulling parts are.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
So that goes back together like that.
I zoom into that.
Can you see that? You don't have to zoom in.
I even zoom in. I think everyone can see that. No move.
Pop the seat off.
Now Dad, try to turn around so they can see that part of the seat.
Well, you want to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so just started that off. That's 45, I need a T40.
I see that T40, Dad.
No, it's T45.
See that T45. Buy one. It's very useless.
You don't need to comment. What are you pointing at?
What's that? So I see like the golden bronze thing where it's like connected, like underneath the seat.
Up there, up there, up there.
Okay, how much seat belts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6.
And these little broken clips go back in as well.
Broken clips in the backseat of your order.
Just stick that in the bin. Give me the camera.
Now you face it.
And that's how that's done. So if I pull the seat out again, just got to be careful that there's enough of that seat belt exposed so I can actually put it back up. All done.
Bye bye.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.